ChatGPT, which is owned by Microsoft, has taken the tech world by storm.
The arrival of something called ChatGPT, launched late last year. If you've logged onto it, you're not alone. 100 million monthly users already, making it the fastest growing consumer application in history.
Yeah, your worst nightmare is almost here. Tech is ready to put you out of a job, but instead of leaving you jobless, it wants to put you into a comfy chair with your favorite shows. That part comes later. But first, let's take a look at what an e-commerce company in India just did.
ChatGPT?
Fascinating.
We're kicking things off with an ad that I created using ChatGPT.
You know, ChatGPT, you look at that and you're like, wait a minute, this is real. People are like, this is bad, this is gonna take away jobs.
Dukaan, a notable e-commerce company in Bangalore, India, has recently grabbed headlines by replacing 90% of its workforce and replacing them with AI. Dukaan CEO Sumit Shah declared a daring AI-driven overhaul. Integrating Lena, an AI chatbot, led to a staggering 90% reduction in their support staff. This move wasn't a mere cost-saving strategy. Lena's abilities reduced response times from a couple of hours to almost instantaneous. Shah proclaimed the shift as tough and necessary, revealing a stark cost reduction in customer support to just $100 monthly. What happened at Dukaan? Yet, the move stirred debates far beyond Dukaan's office corridors. Twitter had a field day about the repercussions of this move and fears about the companies following suit and giving way to the AI revolution. For many, it revived age-old concerns about machines replacing humans. Over the centuries, technological advancements have consistently reshaped job landscapes, from the Industrial Revolution to the computer age. Now, the AI paradigm brings similar, if not more potent disruptions. The spectrum of responses to Dukaan's announcement was wide-ranging. Innovators praised the forward-thinking approach, while social observers lamented the possible erasure of empathy and human touch. This split underscores a vital point. While AI offers precision, efficiency, and scalability, the intangibles of human communication and connection remain unmatched. Dukaan's AI maestro, Yashasvi Yadav, manifests the leaps in today's AI capabilities. All he wanted was one day for him to fashion Lena's preliminary model. Subsequent iterations only honed her further, illustrating the swiftness with which AI can evolve and adapt. But this narrative isn't Dukaan-centric. Globally, industries ranging from agriculture to finance are confronting the AI problem. In the US, thousands found their roles made redundant due to AI's developments. Renowned voices like Elon Musk have cautioned against AI's unchecked growth, urging a balanced harness of its potential. Who is also spearheading a far greater AI on the side? Which side are you on, Elon?
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Welcome to Tesla AI Day 2022. I do want to set some expectations.
If you're into all things AI, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop and never miss out on the latest mind-blowing advancements in the world of artificial intelligence. Remember to turn on post notifications so you're always the first to know. So, what does this mean? AI's impact transcends mere technological or economic domains. It challenges our societal norms, ethics, and the very essence of human work. Questions arise. What becomes of the laid-off employees? How does society cope with potentially large-scale job redundancies? Does the relentless march of technology consider the human factor? You know, with all this buzz about AI taking over jobs, it makes you wonder, how are folks supposed to make ends meet? That's where this idea of Universal Basic Income, or UBI for short, pops up. Imagine everyone getting a paycheck, no strings attached, whether you're working or not. Sounds kind of wild, right? Like a socialist utopia. But it might just be the cushion we need in an AI-driven world. It should be fair to pay the profits of AI back to society and make the world a better place. Take Dukaan's situation for instance. They cut down 90% of their support team for a chatbot. Sure, it's great for the company's pockets and efficiency, but what about the people who lost their jobs? If more companies start hopping on this AI train, we might see heaps of people out of work, and that's a scary thought. Now, here's where UBI swoops in like a superhero. If everyone's getting a basic income, maybe those layoffs wouldn't sting as much. people could have the breathing room to maybe start their own gig, learn something new, or just take a break without the constant worry of bills piling up. Honestly, combining AI advancements with something like UBI, it might be the recipe for a future where folks can roll with the punches and still chase their dreams. What does the future hold for us? The AI age, while still developing, has distinct courses. One envisions a world where AI handles the tedious work, liberating humans for cooler and more exciting pursuits. At the same time, others imagine a dystopian future where humans are caged and AI overloads govern the planet.
What's going to happen to us all tomorrow? Who's going to be in charge, machines or men?
The reality, as often is the case, might tread a middle path, AI and humans coexisting, each amplifying the other. The economic ramifications are evident. Startups now prioritize profitability over inflated valuations. In this landscape, AI serves as both an ally and a challenge. For Dukhan, the pivot meant moving from smaller businesses to consumer-centric brands, signaling the AI-driven evolution of market dynamics. Yet, optimism prevails. The birth of AI presents an opportunity for reskilling and upskilling. As routine tasks become automated, humans can refocus on creative, strategic, and empathetic roles. This shift necessitates investments in education and training, ensuring the workforce remains adaptable and resilient. In summary, the promise of AI is manifold. Novel job avenues, augmented productivity, and innovative problem solving. With it comes the order of ethical considerations, sustainable integration, and a human-centric approach. Dukhan's narrative, replete with controversies and commendations, symbolizes the broader AI revolution. It beckons a profound introspection, how to chart a tech-inclusive future, yet intrinsically human.